Hello everyone, how's it going? I've got these truck tie-down strap holders off the side of my Dodge. I'm gonna powder coat them black. It's only the third time I've done any powder coating. First I'm gonna wipe them down with some of this wax and dirt remover. They've already been sanded. I have some heat tape here, so I'm gonna tape the threads off on these screws and make them black too, so they don't stand out too much against that. I already have my setup all hooked up and the oven's warming up. First things first, I'm gonna clean them up, then I'm gonna put all the metal parts, especially these big strap tie downs, in the oven for probably 10 minutes at about 400 degrees so they get nice and hot and all the pores open up. One of the things I've powder coated had air bubbles in it, so I find it's just best to heat it up at the get-go. So I'm gonna get all that done and be back in a second. Alright guys, I have sprayed the tie-on strap-ons and they are in the oven baking. They just reached 400 degrees, so now we have to wait 20 minutes while they're at 400 degrees for everything to set up. So that's just a Craigslist oven. It was like 20 bucks. It's never going to be used for food again. But I want to show you guys my setup and maybe explain a little bit about powder coating. So powder coating is just a powder paint that goes around the part. I have an Eastwood gun. It works. It's not the best. I'm sure there's better. It's really annoying is when this canister is way too close to this trigger. So as you can see, paint ended up everywhere again. It's really annoying. But basically just put electricity to the part through your alligator clip here. Push the button. And then you have I have a filter there. And I also have two filters back here just to be careful. But your pressure, unlike my regular spray gun when I'm painting cars and stuff, my PSI on this is only 8 pounds, 10 PSI. Otherwise you just spray the powder everywhere. But like with every painting, it's all in the prep. You got to peel it all off and make sure you clean up real good or you're going to get air bubbles in it. So, and I have taped these bolts off so the threads that actually will thread into the nut insert are good to go. One thing to keep in mind, this is not regular tape. This is heat tape, so it can take the temperatures. If you don't use heat tape, you're going to be in trouble. That's for sure. So, the next picture I'll show you guys all what it came out and looked like. Alright guys, there you go. There they are all finished. Nice thing about powder coating is it really gets in all the cracks as long as you're careful and you don't have the juice up too high, you won't arc it. This came out pretty good. I mean, it's just going on the side of the truck and I wanted them to look good and hold up to some rope and scratches and stuff, so that's just black. You can do other things with powder coating. These are kind of a few of the other little things I've done. Top 10 air filter for a carburetor. Nice and chrome blue. Plymouth hubcap for my 39 Plymouth. And a Cadillac center cap off of a 70 Eldorado. So, I mean, you can do all sorts of different things, but that was just quick, dirty, and easy. So, see you next time.